Wait for me!
Oh, isn't that lovely?
Oh, but this is the best one.
They've arrived!
They've arrived!
About time, too.
Oh, drat!
Ouch!
Come on, Owl. We're waiting for you.
Dear friends, old and new, traveling companions and comrades. As you know, we, that is, some of us,
Come on, Owl.
we've come here today because we feel that there's something wrong, something missing from our lives.
Wait a minute. I thought we wanted to elect a leader.
That's why I came here.
So let's get on with it. Any names?
I suggest Hoo-Poo!
Listen now. Thanks a lot for this great honor, but I can't accept.
Oh!
Listen, I'd like to make a suggestion. I know someone. We all know someone who could do the job.
Who is he?
The Simorg.
But he's a stranger.
He's far away, isn't he?
And we'd have to go and look for him.
Yes,
Why should we?
because we need someone more than just a leader. We need a friend.
I want someone to make me feel safe.
Make me feel happy.
To stop us bickering.
The Simorg can do all these things.
How?
I think it's by... Yes, it must be. By giving us a good example. Making us see ourselves as we really are. How about it? Owl?
Oh, I don't know. I can't fly very well.
There'll be more gold and jewels than you can imagine once you reach the Simorg.
Oh, what do you mean?
More riddles.
Hawk, you're not nervous, are you?
Me? Of course not. But I'm not going. I've got everything I want.
How about you, Duck?
She's happy enough.
Hoo-Poo, no one wants to go with you.
You think so? Come on! Or are you going to stay there bickering all day? Come on! You won't regret it.
Come on, you cowards!
I'm not a coward.
Neither am I.
Neither am I! Neither
What's that red glow over there?
It's only the sunset.
Sunset? Oh, that's fire!
Where?
Did I say it would be easy?
You didn't say it would be dangerous.
Dangerous!
I'm going back.
Oh, come on, Finch. Anything worth finding is difficult. Think of the Simorg. He's waiting for you.
He doesn't know we're coming.
Oh, yes, he does. And he's looking after you all the time.
More riddles again, Hoo-Poo.
Oh, no!
I get it, Owl. Oh, help! I'm falling.
Partridge, drop the sack.
No, don't!
Drop the sack.
All those lovely lovely jewels.
Oh, that lovely gold.
Parrot! Swan! Don't turn back. If you don't look, you won't ever find.
Won't ever find.
Well done, the rest of you.
Won't ever find.
You've shown the Samor. He's more important than anything else. Even gold, Owl. Just a short rest.
But it's lovely.
I'm in love.
So am I.
True lovers don't think of themselves.
All I can think of is this rose.
So, if the rose should give you its scent, would you give it your voice?
Are you mad? What good is a nightingale without a song?
If you love that rose, you must give up everything.
But it's only a flower.
Yes, only a flower. So come on.
Ah,
Nightingale, peacock, come on.
oh,
Don't be tempted. They're only flowers.
beautiful flowers.
In beautiful paradise.
All right. Come on, the rest of you.
Goodbye, beautiful garden.